Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove a corrosion from your chrome on your bumper. First thing what you wanna do, you wanna wipe down with a shop towel or a cloth the dirt, and as you can see, after removing that, we still have this nasty corrosion on the chrome part of your front bumper. To remove that corrosion, I'm gonna be using super fine grade, so extra fine steel wool. So as you can see, this is the one I'm using, and it looks like that. So what you wanna do, so the surface needs to be dry, and you just wanna rub it on the spot where you see corrosion, and you're gonna see how it's slowly disappearing. As you can see, we have nice, smooth, clean surface now. Thanks for watching.